Toy Review TV. This is Omnitrix Ultimate Ultimate Trix. This is feature in Beta Omnitrix. Let's open. This is Omnitrix. In the hand.
So you need to remove your watch. Oh wow, that's nice.
Body. See you later to Toy Review TV. Bye bye.